Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about ZOTAC ZBOX Edge CI342 mini PC. So friends, ZOTAC has launched the ZBOX Edge CI342, a compact fanless mini PC which is powered by Intel Pentium N6415 Elkhart Lake quad-core processor, clock at speed of up to 3 GHz, and it measures just 147.2 mm into 147.2 mm into 32.1 mm with a passive cooling solution for the SoC that has a TDP of just 6.5 watt, and it offers an impressive set of connectivity options which include DisplayPort 1.2 and HDMI 2.0b, making up the display outputs, and 3 5 Gbps USB 3.1 ports that include a Type-C, a microSD card reader, 1 GB LAN interface, and Wi-Fi 6E plus Bluetooth 5.2 LAN, and it's still being sold as bare bones, meaning that you add your own RAM and storage. And memory option include 2 DDR4 SODIMM slots, dual channel. And when the only storage interface is an M.2 2280 slot with PCI-Express 3.0 into 2 wiring. And when the ZOTAC is also offering a non-barebones compatible pre-built with Windows 11, which includes 4GB DDR4-3200 SODIMM stick and 128 GB NVMe SSD. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.